You are watching this video because the glass in your fireplace needs to be cleaned. This is a gas fireplace and I need to remove the glass piece. And it seems like when you go in and take these mechanisms off that it would be impossible to remove that glass. Well, it's really easy. I will show you how. Now that your fireplace has cooled off and you have the gas shut off, we can remove the glass. The very most important thing to point out before you even begin to try to remove the glass is to, number one, shut off the gas, and you can do that down below here. And also, number two, make sure that you haven't had it on. I've had mine on, so I'm going to have to let the glass cool before I even attempt this. But I can get other steps ready. I have an intertherm type gas fireplace. And on my fireplace, I basically just open that access panel and I go in and turn the gas completely off. And that can be confirmed by making sure it's on the off position on the pointer. And then you look inside and make sure the pilot light is off. Number two, feel the glass. And if it's warm at all, don't even try. You're going to do this on a day where you have not been running it. Even your pilot light can make this gas fireplace get kind of hot on the glass, so you don't want to burn yourself. While you're waiting for it to cool, you're going to remove the top panel as well. So we have the bottom panel out or folded open, and we have the top panel removed completely. The next thing I have to show you is the fact that there's clips. By the way, the reason we shut off the gas is because when you open the face of this, you don't want all the fumes and carbon monoxide coming into your house. I actually keep a carbon monoxide detector plugged into the wall near this mechanism so that I never have that problem. Are you here to help? Yeah. Okay. So we're going to look for clips underneath here. Well, the dog licks your hand, and you're going to pull those clips loose. There's one. You see that, Rika? Are you paying attention? You're good puppy. You're just like the viewers. They want to do this right. Okay. Excuse me, dog. All right. These are two puppies that we adopted, and they're now about 8 months old, and they're very curious. And I like letting them work with me every time I work on anything so that they're not afraid of things. So this is how the clip works. The clip is holding the glass tight against the frame of the fireplace. You're going to loosen that clip and let it drop down. And then on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Loosen the clip, let that glass become loose, and the clip will be hanging down. The gas is off, the glass is not hot. We're going to lift this glass up. Now we're going to lift the glass out of here. First by pulling forward and then lifting it out very carefully. I would imagine this is pretty expensive. Now I've owned this place for 4 years, and I've been trying to open this glass for 4 years, and then I just assumed you can't. Look at how filthy and sooty that is. That's just I couldn't even see the fire anymore, and I was not enjoying this fireplace. So we're going to use a solution. You can either use a glass cleaner or a fireplace cleaner. Use something that's for glass specifically because you don't want the residue of some other chemical on the inside of the glass. So you want to check with your manufacturer to see what you should use for your dirty glass. I learned from my mom to wash these with newspaper. Yeah, crumpled up newspaper, because newspaper leaves no lint at all, and it pulls the soot right off of the glass. After removing the glass, I found that these fake logs in here actually had fallen down somehow and were touching the flame. And so I rearranged them in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. So if you don't have them, call the manufacturer and get a set. You might even want to have them come over and inspect if you're not the original owner. And I gave them a call and got some help, and I used the manual. So now my fireplace is totally safe, just like yours should be if you talk to your manufacturer. Now I'm going to get this glass cleaned. After giving my window a thorough cleaning, I wanted to show you how well newspaper works. So I use a little window cleaner that's approved by the manufacturer, and then I wipe it with the newspaper. The newspaper actually, you're seeing the water from the other side, but the newspaper absorbs all of everything, the carbon and anything else. So the first time you wash it, you're going to use a rag that you're going to throw away, or paper towels, not newspaper. But then when you do your final cleaning, you can use newspaper so that it leaves no streaks at all. It's kind of like the beaches in Florida, no streaking.
Are you putting it back?
Yep.
All clean?
Oh yeah.
That's really good.
So you are going to get your fingers dirty when you do this job, but that's okay, because then it shows your spouse and your neighbors that you're a hardworking person. All right. Carefully place the glass back in place. And you're going to get the glass placed back properly in accordance with your manufacturer's recommendations. I'm going to look under there to make sure these clips securely clip this against the frame. Now I'm going to relight the pilot light and light the fire. Look at that. It's nice and secure.
Come on, baby, light my fire.
And your spouse can sing to you while you do the work. I'm going to leave this panel open because it is going to be needed to access to ignite the pilot light. So there you have it. You now are enabled to remove your glass. Now you know how to clean the glass on your fireplace by simply removing it and cleaning it in accordance with manufacturer recommendations. Make sure you're safe. Pilot light off, system off, glass cool and not hot to the touch, and then you can do your work. You're going to have to wash your hands later. What cleans carbon off of fingers? Goo Gone. And maybe Dawn dish soap actually is the simplest. I'm not advertising either of those. Thank you for watching Frosty Life. I hope you can enjoy the fire just like I'm about to. All right, time to light the fire. See how I did. There it is. Beautiful flame. That looks so much better than it did before. What do you guys think? Well, it's pretty easy to remove the glass and clean it. I had no idea. And they enjoy time together. Yes, you're a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. No, don't bite my face. I'll have to edit that out. Yeah, good puppy. Okay, you have to go sit down now. Okay. I don't know if it's because I know what it is. I'm on the floor, and they want to chew on me and play. What, you see a puppy in the fireplace? Who's that? Who's in the fireplace? Don't. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, I would urge you to click thumbs up and subscribe. You can learn some other things from us. And in the meantime, you can watch our pets and times at the lake. The lake is frozen now. We're going to go ice fishing in about 2 weeks. Thanks for watching Frosty Life.